Welcome back to our IDM tutorial series. My name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to report a problem directly from IDM. From your overview page, you can start by selecting a time range, or simply click and drag to highlight a period of time. In your top right corner, report problem, and here you can choose whether to include all streams or only report an issue on a specific line. Press continue and add a summary, write a detailed description, and if needed, include additional contact information. IDM will automatically include the selected units and their logs. Once you've clicked OK, a ticket will be created and the logs will automatically be downloaded. Each unit can only store a limited amount of logs, so it's important to reach this step as soon as possible after the error has occurred. Now you can also add extra files like screenshots or videos, and you'll see in real time that the logs are being downloaded. From here you can move freely in IDM, and if you ever want to go back and edit your report, you'll find it in the User Report tab. In the bottom left corner, you'll have Contact Us. Here you find our email, phone number, and the option to give feedback. This can be used if you encounter a problem in the application or if you have a suggestion on how to improve IDM. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll hope to see you in the next one.